Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can deposit USD on Kraken. So in order to do that procedure, first of all, you know the drill. You have to create an account or log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's gonna directly take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So once you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, and make sure that your account is verified. So right on this page, right on top, you'll be able to find an option as funding. You'll have to click on it. And as you click on funding, that's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see all of these information. So since you're depositing USD, so just go ahead and tap on deposit. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the information from where you are actually depositing the amount. So go ahead and enter in the deposit amount and enter in the details from which account you're actually depositing. And lastly, you'll have to go ahead and confirm all of the information that you've provided. And if you're sure about it, then confirm the transaction and then you've successfully deposited your Kraken. So in this way, you can deposit on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.